YouTube. Alright, so today's episode we're gonna be working on this Alfa Romeo. We're gonna go ahead and pull this out a little bit more. Then this is already straightened out. I'm gonna fiberglass that right there. The impact broke the bracket. Oh wow, nice. Yeah, so we're gonna try to fix this too. So let's go. So we got most of it out. So now we have the body line messed up. Of course, shape that bottom and then work my way up. You're gonna shape it and then add a little bit of more fiberglass and then at the end use some body filler. So we got some more of the fiberglass added on there, and I went with the body line. Again, this was only like 70-80% better. I told them it wasn't going to be perfect just because the fender for this car was really expensive. So yeah. All right, so we're doing the last. I'm gonna go ahead and block it off. Well, actually I'm gonna sand it, then I'm gonna prime it, and then I'm gonna block it, and then we just prime it black and just leave it like that.